Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Ethiopia. So let's get started. So here we'll just go to google.com and here you will directly search for here at top business bank account in Ethiopia. Okay, so here we can see, so here directly go, so the top business bank are here. So the National Bank of Ethiopia, then we have Ashwa International Bank, then we have Bank of Abyssinia. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a business bank account in your Bank of Abyssinia. Okay, so here, so we'll go to the website. So here the website are, so to open a business bank account you have to click on product and service, then we have a local deposit loan, local deposit, then we have international banking, loan and way to bank, and they have many other. So you have to go to a current account. Okay, so for a business you will need to open a current account, so we'll likely go to current account. So here we can see features and other things also. So to open a current account you have to open a business, then your business registration, and then you will be going to the bank and you will be like approaching the bank and you will be asking for the current savings, like current account opening. Okay, so from there you can open it. So opening the business bank will be require a minimum age of 18 and you should have basic details. Some basic details will be required and then you can directly open it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.